At first glance, it looks like Kashmiri photojournalist Sana IRSHAD MATOO is going about her daily business of getting the news. But because of the Indian government's clampdown on freedom of expression in Indian-administered Kashmir, she's unsure whether her pictures will ever be published.
It is for the first time that I am witnessing this clampdown, and from the very first day, we are not able to deliver our report or story on a particular time or do justice with our job.
In protest at the restrictions on reporting, some of the largest news organisations in Kashmir launched legal action at India's Supreme Court. Their case is on behalf of one of the largest newspapers in the region, the Kashmir Times, and several other news organisations such as this one, KashmirWallah. Other journalists who are part of the legal action say it's censorship, plain and simple.
The government of India does not want the media, whether it be the Indian media or the international media, to report freely out of the Kashmir Valley in particular. A few selected journalists who are known to be sympathetic to the government have been literally flown there, parachuted, and they are the only ones who seem to be allowed to operate.
Monday's ruling by the Supreme Court judges specified that India's government must ensure normal life is restored in Indian-administered Kashmir at the earliest. The government's responded by saying everything is back to normal and it's the decision of newspaper owners not to publish. Analysts say life in the Kashmir Valley is far from normal and rights are being eroded.
If that be the case, then Article 21, which is the right to life, which is an absolute fundamental right which can never be watered down, right to liberty, right to free speech, right to protest, right to equality before law, right to be treated as equal citizens, how is that being watered down? These are your fundamental rights and the basic structure of the Constitution that can never be tampered by with any government, no matter what the emergency is.
Editors say staff have been harassed and often can't get to work because of army roadblocks. Journalists hope that the Supreme Court ruling might change things, but they don't think it'll be any time soon. Imran Khan, Al Jazeera.